Here's how to change the wipers on a Subaru Impreza. This is 2005 model. It uses a 17-inch wiper blade on the passenger side and a 22 on the driver. Pretty simple. Just pop it up. Now it's basic loop style wiper arm. So on this style of connector, you just squeeze it and then flip it up, and then you're able to just pull it back and take it out. And you're gonna wanna buy a wiper blade that fits one of these with a loop. And the new one is this style. So it's got little pinchers here. And so when it's outside of the groove, the pinchers allow the loop to go in. And then once it's locked in, those little pinchers grab on and keep your wiper in place. And here's how you put it on. So on the wiper blade, you rock the connector like that. Then you slip it under the little loop. So the loop goes through there. Then you pull it up, rock it down, and you are ready to wipe. And then do the same on the second side, and you're done. These are the brand and model numbers that I bought for my car. I'll put a link in the description to these, which are the cheapest ones you can get, or also I'll put a link into some good ones as well.